Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes that do this. It's your boy Will back again. And I'm about to do a ride along, but you already knew it because it was up there. Another one. But I'm doing a ride along with this here. This is Cool Water Intense. Now, this is not a new fragrance. It's just one of those classic fragrances. It's an easy pick up and go fragrance. This one is really close to the original Cool Water, with that freshness, that gentlemanly kind of vibe to it, but it's darkened up. So it smells more like something that you can wear in the evening versus in the daytime in the summertime. But we'll talk more about that a little bit later. So let's go ahead and jump right into sprays. Let me get a couple of sprays. I am going to spray my skin also. So this is a little bit stronger than the actual, the normal Cool Water. So, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Get a couple of more sprays and get one on the back. All right. So let's do this ride along, see how this lasts. I think it's like an all day fragrance. And today it's supposed to get up to like maybe 80 degrees. So this is a pretty good day to measure this. So we'll work it out. Right now it is 10:01 and the temperature is 69 degrees. 69 degrees. I don't know if that's coming in, but 69 degrees right now. So let's do this ride along and see how it works. Cool Water Intense. Roll with me. Okay, time for a check-in. Right now it is 11:22 and it's gotten a lot warmer. I went out for a little while, but I'm back in the house. It's 72 degrees. I'm not sure if that temperature is coming up, but it's 72 degrees now. And like I said, it got a lot warmer. The fragrance now, it's gotten a little bit closer to the skin and it's gotten like this creamy vibe, almost like a sun tanning kind of vibe to it. Like maybe it has some kind of fruit or something in it. I'll get to the notes a little bit later when I wrap it up. But right now, it's close to the skin. I sprayed it on my skin also, and I sprayed it on my actual skin in addition to the jacket. On the jacket, it's a little bit stronger on the jacket than it is on my skin, but it's still there. So let's keep rolling with it, see what it's do. All right, keep rolling. Hey, all right, so doing another check-in. This fragrance is going crazy. It's playing peekaboo with me. It'll be gone for a minute and then I'll come back and I'll be walking around and I'll catch whiffs of it. And it smells now more like a sweet citrus, almost like a beach oil that you put on or something like that. But it still smells good, but like I said, it's playing peekaboo. I don't know if it's just that I'm going nose blind to it or what, but right now it is 12:49 and the temperature is it 76 degrees? It is 76 degrees. Not sure if that's going to come in, but it's 76 degrees and it's still doing pretty good. So at least from what I'm thinking, because like I say, I'm catching whiffs of it as I'm moving past, catching my own CRX if you know what I mean. So anyway, I'm gonna keep rolling up with it. I got a couple of more things I gotta do. I'm gonna go out in the sun a little bit and see if it, reactivates and maybe I can smell a little bit better, but roll with me. Let's keep checking this thing out. All right, folks, doing a check-in. I'm actually getting the workout in now, and the fragrance, like I thought, it came back to life a little bit. When I started sweating, and now, obviously, now that I'm sweating, it's starting to fade off a little bit. Right now, the time is 12:11 and 80 degrees. So I'll do a little bit, check in a little bit later. All right. Hey, all right, folks. I'm doing a check-in. It is a little bit later than the time that I just checked in. It right now is 3:16, if that's coming in, and the fragrance is pretty much gone. I'm not really picking up much of it at all, and it's at the point now that if somebody walk past me, they're not going to smell me. It may be still on my jacket, but as far as my skin is completely gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a wrap up. Oh, right now the weather is 82 degrees. So yeah, it's gotten a lot warmer, and then with the workout and everything, so I probably sweat most of it out anyway. So hopefully you guys can hear me, because I just realized I got the window down. But anyway, I'll do another check in a little bit. And actually probably do a wrap up in a little bit. All right. Hey, all right. So let's wrap this up. This fragrance did pretty good. It's actually on the skin. It didn't last, and it wasn't as strong as I remember it being. So it could be a fragrance for the summertime now. But last time I wore it, I remember it being a little bit more dense. But right now, it's completely gone. It's gone off my skin. I don't smell the dry down or anything. It's gone. So Davidoff Intense. It's a pretty cool fragrance, and it's cheap. So if you're in the market for that kind of fragrance, it's a little bit denser than like I said, the original Cool Water. This one is it doesn't have that that airy kind of vibe that Cool Water normally has. Cool Water is similar to Green Irish Tweed and all those other fragrances. So just jump right into it. Let's talk about the notes. And I didn't realize that this only has 3 notes. So the notes for Cool Water Intense. Top note is green mandarin. The middle note is coconut nectar, and then the base note is amber. Now, when I got to the mid, that coconut nectar is kind of what I was smelling. When I said it smelled kind of like beach oil or something like that, like tanning oil. It smelled kind of like that. It smelled good, but it didn't smell like Cool Water. Like in the beginning, it smelled like Cool Water with a denser kind of vibe to it. In the mid, it doesn't. And the dry down, I never really picked up any of the amber from the dry down. So that's that. And the other thing I do want to say, I grabbed my jacket and I can still smell it on my jacket. So on clothes, it lasts a lot longer. And on my jacket, it has that smell of like the nectar, the coconut mixed with the mandarin. But it doesn't smell like green mandarin. It smells just like mandarin orange. But yeah, so but it's not coming off, majorly. It's still very, very light on the jacket, but I can still smell it. So that goes for something, I guess. So yeah. Oh, and right now, the time, it is 5:03, and the temperature is cooled off a little bit. It's 73 degrees. It's not going to come up. But yeah. So yeah. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for riding along with this ride along. I did a little bit more than I was expected, so I may have sweated out a little bit more than it would have been done without me working out and all this other stuff. But anyway, I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about cool water intense. Right along. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.